Well, the Making Home Affordable programs just got a lot more interesting. They're bringing two new programs that are going to have some impact in the marketplace. One is principal reduction, and the other is a clear program to help people that are unemployed. These are two problems that affect a lot of homeowners and is one of the reasons why there's so much distress in the marketplace. People are underwater, they don't have the motivation and cannot afford to pay their homes, they can't finance out of their situation, so what do? And if they're unemployed, what can they do because they don't have an income to qualify? And previously under the Making Home Affordable program, if you were unemployed and you didn't have other sources of income that would equal an amount necessary to pay all your housing obligations, you were out of luck, and at some point in the process you're going to be denied unless it's profitable for your lender to modify your loan. Under the Obama plan as it currently stands, they don't have to modify your loan. Very few people talk about this, but this is one of the reasons why so few people have gotten a permanent loan modification through the Obama plan. It was supposed to help 3.5 million people, and to date it's probably helped a tenth of that. So let's go the next step in the process. The next step in the process is contacting your lender. And when you contact your lender, they're going to ask you what's your hardship. What is the reason why you're applying for a loan modification? And the reason is they don't want somebody that is very able to pay their current mortgage payment to receive a lesser payment right off the bat. And once the word gets out about this, that, I've dropped my mortgage payment $1,500, all I had to do was call the lender and give them a lot of expenses and say my income's here and geez, I can't afford my mortgage anymore, and then have everybody do the same thing, the lenders would be in a lot of distress. So they want to know that there's a valid hardship. And the beauty of it, these hardships are listed in the Making Home Affordable trial modification paperwork, and we can send you a copy of this so you can see exactly what the lender deems is valid, and after you become part of the Making Home Affordable program, what the agreement's going to be, so you know up front what to expect. All you have to do is just go to the link below and we'll get that information right out to you. The next step in this process is your income and expenses. Your lender is going to ask you what's your monthly income and what are your monthly expenses. And the information that you provide them will either make or break your loan modification application. Besides the fact of this modification being profitable or not, there's nothing more important than whether or not your income and expenses justify and qualify you for a loan modification. And this is something where all the rules are publicly available. Now you can't find them all in one place, and they're scattered about the internet in various reports and filings. And we'll go into this in more detail in the next video.